Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will briefly explain to you how to set up dropshipping with AliExpress. First of all, you have to choose a platform on which you will sell. It could be eBay, Shopify, or Amazon, or any other platform that is comfortable for you. Then you have to create your own online store and link it with a dropshipping tool, for example, Deacers. Actually, on our channel we have video on how to do it, like tutorial, how to link Deacers to AliExpress. So if you're willing to know how to do it, I recommend you to go and watch it. Next, you should browse AliExpress for products that have high ratings, positive reviews, and of course reliable sellers. So what you have to do is use your dropshipping tool to import those products directly to your store. You can edit their titles, descriptions of the item, and prices to fit your brand. And when a customer orders from your store, you place the order on AliExpress through your dropshipping tool using customers' shipping information. And basically, AliExpress supplier will ship directly to your customer and you keep the profit difference. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.